If Peter Piper pecked them, I bet you Remy ducked them. I told you not to touch them, it's not up for discussion. All my clothes is custom, straight from France. My hands like Mayweather's. All my friends ate and better. I get a lot of money, honey. Queen bitch and bean bitch. Body a guy for my guy, make you a mean bitch. I'm a green bitch.
Alright guys, so we're starting off with my good old mannequin head right here. And I got this mannequin holder from my beauty supply store for like $5. So the hair I'm using for this wig is 226-inch and 228 in Brazilian body wave from Modern Show Hair on AliExpress, of course. And I'm going to put the link for this hair down below. I didn't get my closure from Modern Show Hair. It's actually from Eunice and is one of some old closures I had from before. It's already bleached and plucked. So if you guys want to see a video how I pluck and bleach my closures, it's on my channel. You guys can go watch that. And it's bleached to my skin color, as you can see. I'm going to be using a mesh dome cap that I got from my beauty supply store for about $3.99. And I like using this because it has a lot of breathing space. And hey, it's me! With my blue eyes! Anyways, I like to use this because it has a lot of breathing space. And it comes in different sizes, like extra large, extra large, and all that stuff. And you just want to, I like to stretch it out a little bit, just in case. So you want to start sewing your closure right here in the center of the dome cap. And the way you want to place your closure is that you want to place the lace part a little bit above the dome cap, just like this. And I'm going to T-pin the ends of the closure so it could be in place while I sew it on. When you start sewing your closure, you want to start from one end of the closure and just sew that onto the dome cap. And I like to triple it 3 times so I make sure it's nice and tight on and secured onto the dome cap. And then you want to keep going until you reach the middle of the closure. And then when I reach the middle of the closure, I cut the net, I cut the thread, and then I start again from the other side and then meet where I stopped. And the closure is now fully sewed on, and I'm just going to tie it to get it out of the way from me sewing the other bundles. So for this wig cap, I'm actually going to sew on the elastic band, and you know what, you guys should know that I don't like sewing on elastic bands right now. But I'm going to sew on the elastic band for this cap. But the way I'm going to do it, I'm not going to sew through the whole elastic band. This wig cap has like 2 layers, so I'm going to sew through the first layer as I'm sewing on the elastic band of this wig cap. And I'm going to start off with my first 20-inch bundle. Since it's 4 bundles I'm using, I'm going to actually single the first one. But you could, there's many ways you could do. You could double all of them, double 3 of them and single 1 of them, or single all of them. But the way I'm going to do it, I don't know. I just felt like singling it, then doubling, then singling, then doubling, then singling. And I know that sounds so confusing, but that's how I did this wig. I wanted to add like a little more thickness by the closure, so I doubled it around the closure. Alright guys, so here I'm going to show you guys how to sew, because that's the fundamental of making a wig. I'm not a good teacher, but I'll try. So what you want to do is sew through the cap. And you want to have your thread in a loop like this. I like to loop it in my fingers, just like this. So basically you want to flip it and loop it, and you're going to drag the needle through that loop. So when you drag the needle through the loop, that is going to secure the thread onto, it's going to secure the weave onto the wig cap. So you see how it's looping, how the thread went through the loop. That's basically how you sew. And like, it's not that hard. I mean, at first when you're trying to do it, it's gonna be a little hard. But once you get the hang of it, you're gonna get used to it. So basically, you just wanna loop the thread and pull the needle through that loop. And just keep pulling until it reaches the dome cap and push it in to secure it. And you're done. You know how to sew. It's gonna be easy once you get the hang of it, trust me. So I'm just gonna continue sewing onto the first layer of the dome cap, and I'm gonna keep flipping my bundles until I'm close to the closure. The way you want to sew your bundles is in the U-shaped form, so you want to keep going in like a smiley face, U-shaped form, whatever, until you reach your closure. As you're getting closer to your closure, you want to single the last track that's opposed to your closure. And you want to get as close as you can. You don't want to sew on the closure, but you want to get as close. And our wig is done. So this is how it looked like. Body wave, you know. It's full, thick, I love it. And you want to cut the dome cap that's right under the lace closure. This is where you want to cut the dome cap that's right under your closure, and you don't want to cut it any type of way because you could accidentally cut the thread and then you would be tight, because then you would have to start the wig all over, and no one wants that. So you just want to cautiously cut the the cap right under the lace closure. So this is how your wig supposed to look like. Just the lace, no cap under it. And I'm going to use elastic band and sew on these two ends by my ears. And I'm using this thick black elastic band that I got from Walmart. And I'm just going to measure my head and then cut that and then sew it on to my wig cap. And I am back with my stocking cap and my Make Millies, yes. So I'm just going to try the wig on to see how it is on my head. And my wig is done. The wig actually fits really snug on my head, so I'm actually not gonna use that elastic band that I cut already. And I'm just gonna show you how it looks like when I move it to the side and move it to the middle.
Look at that bitch. I look like a bad. Put a little mousse. Lay flat. But yeah.
Okay guys, you already know I look bad or whatever. I was clearly feeling myself. But yeah, it was meant to be a middle part, but I pushed it to the side. And this is how long it is on me. And I was thinking of straightening it, but actually it's really good like this. I like the natural body wave. And this is how it looks like when I push it to the middle. And the closure easily blends into my skin tone. So you guys know what you do. What you should do, watch my video on how I bleach and tint my closure and all that stuff. You know, it's on my channel. And so this is the end of my video. This is how the wig looks like up close. And you already know. Like, comment, and subscribe. And comment any videos you guys want to see. Thanks for watching. Bye.
If Peter Piper pecked them, I bet you Remy ducked them. I told you not to touch them. It's not a